Alright, this is an overview of all the items that you would need to change the ISR race exhaust from stock. Rhino ramp, I got that from AutoZone. The stool, Walmart. Now, I went to Harbor Freight House and got the Pittsburgh jack, the aluminum one. It works better than anything I've ever used, personally, and this is how it looks. Also got the impact wrench. It was on sale, 19, 17, 16, 12, and a 10mm wrench. And you definitely need the catback gaskets from the dealership or you're gonna be messed up. So they finally came in today. Trying to open this up. What the fuck is this? I feel low-key like I got goop. Alright. I just... So for this part, for this part, that pipe, say 4 pounds. Say about a pound. Alright, send it right over. This is about 8 pounds. We went from the side of 6, but stay right over it. And let's just see how much the whole one weighs. And what do we have here? Oh, see, that's minus the 8, 42 pounds. So, as you can see, the starts right here, muffler, it's right there. Keep going down. That's the connecting. And from the muffler, it's held by this. So we're gonna take this one out. And there's one on the other side. And as we keep going down, we're gonna take those out. For me, what I kept doing, I had to come on the side. And from the back, I just kept trying this out and trying to see which one to fit. So for this one, it's a 19, but just make sure that you have a nice tool set. So put that on there. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And when we're saying that, we're talking about the direction that it rotates, not you rotating your arm. You have a solid connection. impact gun. This is not coming off. So I got some WD-40. Make sure that you don't let it get in your eye, of course. There's another 2 on top, but I'm gonna let that finish dripping off for now. Alright. Then I'll be back. Got myself a little toothbrush. I'm gonna well, just scrub it a bit. Make sure you do it away from you. You don't want to get in your eye or anything. Come on, Mr. Show. Shrug, okay. I finally got the bolts off. Man, after about 10 minutes or whatever, well actually 15, I had to let it rest while the WD-40 go in and do its job, and I still gotta aggravate the top ones. I was about to be like, man, shoot, I'm about to call a professional, but I'm glad I stuck with it. If I can do it, you can do it too. I'm not the smartest person, but I ain't the dumbest either. So, shoot, this works wonders. It does loosen the bolts. Oh, okay, yeah. Reading is paramount. Let's so for several minutes. Man. So, I'm gonna see how this works without the toothbrush. I'll be back. So, I'm gonna take off these little brackets right here. So, that's a 10 millimeter, and on the other end as well. So you can obviously, I guess you could just leave it alone and just shift it there, but I think it's just easier just to take out. Or we can just, well no, because this part is going to hit that part if we try to take it out the other way. So we're just going to take it out. Alright, once you get, well, I'll leave this in here so I know exactly where everything else goes. This one I kind of loosened a little bit too, but very good. I guess you can't see what I'm saying, but this right here that we're looking at. So this is connected to this, and this is a 12. It's pretty tight, honestly. I'm trying to bang my fingers, so here we go. Okay, okay. All right. Come on, one more time. Okay, we got it. So what you don't want to do is unloosen it all the way, because this is going to hit me, and I don't want that to happen. This, what I'm using right now, is a 12, and that's for all of them. So make sure you have a 12. Make sure you have a whole bunch of tools just in case, man, because, you know, idiots sometimes misplace things and put other stuff up on there. And then what I'm doing right now, the cat nuts is the cat nut is soaking with WD-40, trying to just unloosen those so that it'd be easier. Just unloosen, don't take them all the way off. All right. Really tight in here. So what I did was put an adapter extensioner, and to get on top of those, I'm coming back this way. This one I didn't agitate, so I'm just trying to get it on from this end, from this side, so you can kind of see. Well, I guess you can't see. That's a nut right there. Right there, and I'll put it on there. Hold it and go. Yeah, I didn't mean to press that button. I need to use one hand, so I'll let y'all know when I'm done. This broke, so luckily you got a lifetime warranty on it, so we're just gonna take it back and get another pair for the frisky. House is a place of their word, and they gave me the new ones free of charge. Just took them right off the other set. Took the hangers off. Well, this part and let it hang, so it's gonna catch right there. But there's another piece holding it up, and then I'm gonna go back to this part. Since this screw at the top is so hard to get. And then I rotate it. I had to use this and go all the way back. Let's take those 4 bolts off, man. Right behind the cap. And come on and spray these little areas. TW40. This is the side of the car. And one more spot. Where's like a... Where are you? Okay. Yeah, right there. That part. Alright, let that sit there for a little bit. And we'll be back. I got a stool that'll catch in my jack. I'm gonna lower it down there. Alright, so this is the part right here. And I painted the shit out of my hand with a flat, but I had to get that part off. Then it collapsed. This one's linked on that. And it's off. It's kind of hard to see because it's getting dark right now, but yeah. It's off, and we're gonna just pull it out. Yes, sir. So, doing trying to just lower it ever so slowly. Got it. Gracefully. Then tighten it back up and trying to pull it. Alright, so the stool. Squirted these off. And I'm just trying to slide these off. So this one goes on the left. I don't want to get confused, so leave this in and then slide that onto this one. Just get in there clean. Yep. Yep, let me slide this one off. This one should slide off pretty easy without scratching up the exhaust. Yeah, if I would have cleaned it, it would have slid off way easier. So, Put some more WD-40 on it. All right, cool. Yeah. Okay, that's that part. So I was looking for this other mount right here. So this right here, and I'm gonna count from right here. 1, 2, 3, and that's when those two meet. So from this one on this one, right here, 1, 2, 3. So that's how I know we're using the right one. Exhaust sealant, and we're gonna put this on the gasket. Well, not the gasket, but every individual gaps that these connect to. So from right here, I'm just gonna put this on. I don't have to record this part. So what I'm doing now is obviously prepping it up and seeing how this works. So this looks like it's gonna have to come right and rotate towards the left. And this one is going straight. As you see, is brown, not black. Black will mean it's running too rich. Brown is even, white is too lean. So actually, this is doing pretty good. Now the easiest way to do this is if you know somebody with how do you say, garage that can lift this up. Pay them whatever money, and then you ain't gotta worry about all that. It'll save up on time, energy, and just about everything. Yeah, whatever. All right, one side is on. Let me get all the side on first. Slide. Well, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, but push it on. Soak it. All right. Now let's try to apply this onto it, because I'm having a problem with the thread. So I'm just gonna apply this on and reconnect that bottom piece. So let's get up to shake it up real good, so you can see if there's any bubbles. Checking the gases. We're gonna try to start the car up and see what it looks like. So I had to go and get these original parts for the gasket. So yeah, man, it's best to change everything out because this stuff was definitely messing me up. Under here again. So these is ones I bought from the dealership, and as you can see, there's a little space like right there. This one is a new one I bought from the dealership, and this one come on, push on. Snug. This one has a little hole. I noticed, so I gotta take that one off. Let me just put the stuff on again. I guess it ain't going underneath here no more. So I'm gonna reapply this sealant, and I'm gonna put the gaskets on, and I'm gonna resell now. You should see apply some more stuff on this side and then cover the overlay. So right here, it starts right there, and it covers that part. The other one is too big, so just make sure you just get the right pieces. What was happening when you put this one on, it's too big, and sometimes it goes outside the ring right here, so it's not really covering it as it should. It's not sitting flush, which is causing a leak. This is where a lot of people lose their power. See? So we're good to go. So once I got that part in, remember I didn't take this one out, so I just snapped that back on, and I just kind of like I hand tighten this one or whatever. So I just kind of just turn it with this just a little bit. Let me hold that part up just to make sure it doesn't, you know, come out. Just too tighten it. You don't want it too tight going on. It kind of makes it easier to put this on. You don't have to guess because obviously you can't put it this way, so it's not going to be this one. It's going to be this one. So yes, come on, slide it. It would have been difficult to do it the other way, and you know, get it on. So there seems to be a leak right here. I mean, there's bubbles just popping out. There's like bubble, 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 bubble. So you don't put it on for too long. So shoot, I could definitely push it back in. So you just need to tighten it up a bit, I suppose. And tighten it up. Yeah, it wasn't tight.